Hello, it's the NoVWs here, and today am going to teach you how to, I guess change something to make it funnier kind of on your own computer. It's not hacking. If you reload anything that you do, it'll just go back to normal. It's just kind of fun. So, you can do it on almost anything. Oh, I'm sorry. Grandpa just walked in.
Say hi, Grandpa.
Hi.
Now anyone on the internet will be able to see you.
Nice.
So what you do is find your F12 key right here or right here. If it has a little symbol on it or something, this won't work. But just like this, just your F12 key with nothing on it, click it. This will pop up either on the side or on the bottom here. So, what you do if, I don't know, you want to change what, this, or if you want to change this video's title, you click this, left click, or right click this, edit as HTML. This black part in the bottom is the title. So we can just we can edit it however we want. So, well, I am going to make it say, oh, sorry for the interruption. Just like I said, we can change the video title here. So I'm going to make it say, Eat Slime with the Gods. Eat slime with the gods. So now you scroll a little bit, and now right here it says Eat Slime with the Gods. Here's our video, but it'll still bring you to the same. So.
And if you refresh the page, it'll go back to the other title?
Yeah. Bye.